In this video, I'll be showing you how I gained free access to the Driver Information Center on my 2003 Silverado 1500 HD. As you can see, it does not have steering wheel controls, and previously all I had was the regular trip settings by pushing the stalk in the upper right hand corner. I might have a couple extra ones than you do because this is an HD model, but that's it right there. But simply by grounding out a couple of wires on the cluster wiring harness, I got all this extra stuff that you get through the steering wheel controls. Now there's another video that shows you one way how to do this, but he said that he had to have his cluster reflashed with a different VIN, and I didn't do that. I didn't do anything but touch a wire to ground and boom, there it was. But I will also be showing you how I wired up these factory switches right here. Now there's nothing special about those switches. They're just a momentary on-off, just a path to ground. Any 4 buttons will work, or a single button with a 4-way switch. But here is the factory button. You have black ground, orange is the selection key, and it matches up to the wiring on the cluster. Green is personalization, and the brown is for your illumination circuit. The other button is the same, just the center 2 wires are different colors that also match up with the wires on the wiring harness. Now I'm going to show you how to get to that wiring harness. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your parking brake, then tilt your steering wheel down, shift down into first, and this bezel will just pop right off. There's a bunch of metal tabs holding it all the way around, but just start at one corner and pop it off, and then there are 4 7mm screws holding the cluster in. Here's the wiring harness, and on the back side of the connector you'll see a gray side and a blue side. The gray side is A and the blue side is B, and the pins we're looking for are B4, 5, 6, and 7. So yellow, green with a white stripe, dark blue, and orange wires right here. And you'll run each one of those to your buttons. Orange is selection, dark blue is trip, green with a white stripe is personalization, and yellow is your fuel information. And I also tapped into A11 for the illumination circuit and B12 for ground, but you can run your ground wherever you want. It doesn't have to go to that wire. Hope this video helps you out. Like and subscribe if it did, and thank you for watching.